Hello, today I will be talking about my IT career advancement plan. So let's get started. Let's see here. Alright. First we got my self-assessment and career objectives. Some of my strengths include problem solving and critical thinking skills. I am self-motivated and hardworking, and I also have analytical skills, especially in mathematics. And one of my weaknesses is that I have limited experiences in complex software development. And over here I made a SWOT analysis grid to go hand in hand with this slide. This is the continuation of the last one. Some of my current IT skills include programming using Python, Java, and JavaScript. I have made a website using HTML and CSS, and I have experience in networking concepts with Cisco Packet Tracer. Some of my career objectives, starting with short term, include to complete my game design and web development degree by winter of 2026, hopefully, and complete internships in either web development or game design by summer of 2025. And one long-term career objective that I have is that I would like to have a career in iTech in either game design or web development upon graduation. So after winter, so in spring of 2027, I would like to have that. Next is industry trends and tech innovations in my field. Some current trends and innovations in game design include artificial intelligence, or AI, virtual or VR or augmented reality, or AR, face recognition, and finally cloud gaming. Some current trends and innovations in web development include WebAssembly, or WASM, and HTMX. My skills development and certification plan. My plan for enhancing the technical skills that I already have is to complete my degree with a concentration in game design and web development. Certifications and training. Some possible certifications and training programs for game design that I would go into could be Certified Game Designer, or CGD, Unity Certified Developer, or Adobe Certified Associate in Digital Media Game Design. Some possible certification and training programs for web development might include Full Stack Web Development Program, IBM Full Stack Software Developer Professional Certificate, and finally Professional Certificate in Front-End Web Developer. Networking and professional relationships. My plan for networking within the IT community would be to upgrade my LinkedIn account to premium. I already have a LinkedIn account, I just don't have a premium version of the account, so that would be my first thing that I would do. And secondly, I would intern with leading companies in iTech, for example, like Google or Microsoft, and companies like that. Some industry events that I could attend would be the Game Awards. I really like this industry event because of all the innovations that take place in the gaming world, and I just like seeing those innovations come to life and see future projects by developers all around the world. Game Developers Conference, or GDC. Those were some game design industry events that take place every year. Some web development industry events that I could attend would be UXDX and Web Directions Summit. Resource management and budgeting. I am currently a full-time student at Middle Georgia State University. I have been employed in various jobs for multiple summers. For example, last year I worked a full summer at State Farm with my dad and my cousin, and I thought it was really enjoyable. I worked from the end of that semester in spring, so in May, the start of May, to about the start of the next semester in in fall. So about the start of August, I ended my employment at State Farm, and I'm thinking about going back to State Farm this summer. Finally, the budgeting time that I have available is between classes, studying, and my family. Next, risk management and continuous learning. I made a risk register table for this. So starting off with risks, the first risk is lack of time for skill development. The trigger for this risk is prioritization of other tasks. The probability and impact for this would be high, and a potential response for this would be to create a proper schedule. Another risk is outdated technologies. The trigger for this would be rapid advancements in IT. The probability is medium for this risk, and the impact is high. And a potential response would be to keep updated with current advancements in technology. Another risk is burnout. The trigger for this risk is overwhelming workload. The probability for this is medium, and the impact is high. And a potential response to this risk would be to set realistic goals and take regular breaks. The final risk that I have put down is difficulty with advanced topics. The trigger for this risk is lack of experience. The probability and impact for this risk is medium, and a potential response for this risk is to seek help from knowledgeable sources. My communication plan and career milestones. My communication plan is as follows. I would like to pursue internships provided by my university. Secondly, I would like to attend job fairs. And finally, I would like to achieve a premium account in LinkedIn, as I mentioned before. And down here, I made a little Gantt chart. First of all, I would like to continue in my degree path with a minimum of a 3.5 GPA. Throughout this semester and throughout all the semesters until winter of 2026 would be my last semester, hopefully, when I graduate. And I would like to graduate with a minimum of a 3.5 GPA. And then in spring 2027, I would like to enroll into online certifications like CGD, UDCP, CDD, or CWP. And finally, in the summer of 2027, I would like to acquire an entry-level job at some place that is within my area that specializes in IT, preferably in game design or web development. That is about it for my presentation. Here are my resources that I used. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my presentation of my IT career advancement plan. Thanks.